Mustang coming up, getting ready to go.
Yeah, just stick with the I'm just gonna do that.
Full stage and
Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do for you. Pull the trigger.
Maybe you should pull the fucking trigger.
Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do for you.
What is up, guys? Thank you for tuning into another video. Rush SRT here, back at it again with another one. Today's video, we're actually heading to the track for the first time ever in the Challenger. I've never actually ran on a track before, so this will be my first time. Just as a disclaimer, if I do something embarrassing, that's why. It is my first time ever on a drag strip. The track we're going to is Irwindale. It's an 8th mile track. Meeting up with two guys that are gonna come with me as well, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. You know, giving it a shot with the Challenger, seeing how she performs right now. The car does have the full interior. I might gut it at the track if things are working out. So we'll see how that goes. But I have 315s in the back, so hopefully we can get some traction and able to land a good time today. So come along, let's go to the track right now. I'm in traffic, but hopefully I'll get to the track pretty soon. What's up, man? Yes, sir. We pay you guys up here? It's 20, right?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Got a couple free tickets for Saturday night on the Oval Truck.
All right, cool. Thank you.
Have a good evening.
You too. Where we go? Okay, let's go.
$20 the helmet.
Sorry?
$20 the helmet. Your friend said you need a helmet too.
I do, but my coworker is about on his way, and I'm having his helmet for the race.
Is it Snell approved?
Is it what?
Snell approved.
I think so, yeah. He has two of them. He rides a motorcycle, so I'm just borrowing one of them.
All right, well, your buddy said he said you need one, so I'm getting him one. So, all right. If you're not here, I rent him for $20.
Gotcha. I'll be back to you if he doesn't
All right.
come. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. So we're all checked in. We registered and everything. Now we're gonna follow these guys, and we're gonna go get in the staging lanes. For the first run?
Yeah, just want to get running.
Should we just go do our first run? But are you gonna air down your tires at all?
What's up?
Are you gonna air down your tires? No?
I don't have anything to pump me back up with.
You don't have the pump? I have a pump.
Want to?
Yeah. Are you airing down your tires?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, yeah, I need to do that too. Alrighty, guys, my tires were like at 38 PSI. I'm gonna drop them down to 28 for my first run and see how that goes. Alrighty, guys, so we're lining up right now, getting ready to run. My first ever run on a track, so a little bit of nervousness is kicking in, but I don't think it should be too bad. It's my first run, so I'm not gonna go too crazy. Just gonna go out there, give it a shot, and see what I can do.
double A 15 doing 873, 93 to 85 miles an hour. Challengers a pair, getting ready to go. No, you're not seeing double. There are two challengers. We see so many challengers out here. It's great to see them are getting some.
Thank you. So I got on my brakes a little early, but our first run ever, we did at 8.7. I'm not sure if I'm on the Yeah, so our first run ever, we did it 88 miles an hour, 8.714. That's the first run ever, 8.714. Not bad. And there's a demon running right now.
The passenger seat and the rear seat are options.
So we're gonna avoid the box one more time. Damn, that Porsche is ridiculously fast. Wow. Thank you. Damn, we both did terrible. So I did a 9.4, and that's all due to that wheel spin. Again, I got off. That was absolutely terrible. I can't believe my first run was better than my second run, but that's just kind of the way it goes. Pretty sure most of that was due to the fact that there's a lot of tire spin. The traction control was off, so that did not help out whatsoever. Alrighty guys, going up again, round number 3. This time I'm not turning traction control off, and I'm also gonna go ahead and not do a burnout. Just hit it off the light there, see how this goes. Thank you. So 8.6, we ran the same mile per hour. My reaction time was much better this time. My reaction time is getting better, but for some reason my times are still not that good. I don't get it. What?
Did you back out on purpose or what?
I don't fucking
You
know.
were right there, dude. Right there from getting the helmet.
I don't know.
8.4.
What'd you get?
8.5.
We got an 8.7.
Same mile an hour too.
We have the same mile an hour, but look at my reaction time.
I think it's because you hook better. I don't know how you're not beating me.
I don't know either.
No, it's not because it's just the time he launches.
Alrighty guys, we're going for run number 4 of the night. You guys have been seeing what has been going on, so we're gonna give it another shot. badly. That was absolutely terrible because I can't seem to get my hook up off the line correctly. Thank you, sir. Yep, just as expected, 9.333. Reaction time is 0.4, which isn't too bad, but fuck. Just that slippage, 86 miles an hour. Which absolutely blows.
Firebird Challenger. Old school, second generation Firebird. Third Challenger.
So that was an 8.5, it's saying, to the 8th. And as you can probably hear, the car is picking up a bunch of rocks as we go down. I raced that Firebird, that thing is quick. That thing is quick. Alrighty guys, so for the last race of the night, we went ahead and took everything out of the car. The car is completely gutted, except for the driver's seat, all the center console, and the steering wheel. That's it. Let me turn on the light here, show you guys. We are no back seats, nothing in the trunk. So that's gonna be it for the last run of the night. Hopefully we can do something good. Using the water box paid off pretty well, thanks to Richard for letting me know that. You know, so I used the water box on the last run and we got an 8.4, which is still is nothing to be write home about, but it is, we are getting better, you know, it is our first time. So let's go ahead and do our last run. Alrighty guys, we're getting ready to do our last run of the night here. I'll race that Mustang behind me. Think I'll be able to?
I think you guys are good.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Do a nice burnout.
Stripped down Honda Civic here on the line lane.
Like that too, the first time.
Got big tires front and rear end is up high to put the weight transfer forward. On we go, there you go. Challenger and Mustang coming up, getting ready to go.
Yeah, just stick with the. I'm just gonna do that.
Full stage and release. Mustang trying to close in. Challenger got a 6-liter Hemi and gets the win over the 5-liter Mustang.
Woo, baby! Oh, I got that Mustang good that time. That was a good run, guys. That was a good run. I feel like that's probably the fastest I've ever ran. Woo! All I needed was a nice little burnout, get these babies sticky, and they performed. They performed really well. I'm pretty sure that's probably gonna get me kicked off the track there because I think that was faster than they're gonna allow me to be. So So let's go ahead and pop the windows. I still smell the burnout. And I think this is the part where he's gonna kick me out. Let's see.
You have a helmet, right?
I did not up until now.
Okay, next time you do need a helmet. The lanes are closed already, but next time you do need a helmet.
Thank you. Damn guys, we ran an 8.1 at 89.72 miles per hour. I did win that race against the Mustang, but he did actually run a 7.9, which is pretty good. So he ran well. But I did get him, so I guess I had a better reaction time.
Mustang drops off. Cobra, you're in the right lane. Gonna take on the
That was a good race.
left lane. Cobra Mustang.
Oh, is this one I can't turn?
Hey Chris! Hey Chris! Follow me. Hey, what's good? Woo! Good shit. What happened with you?
Huh?
What happened with you?
No, nothing.
Tell me about it.
Tell me about it. So that little shitty Honda I was talking shit on,
Yeah.
fucking ran a 7.
Woo!
I got 2 off on it.
This guy ran a 7 too, damn it. This guy ran a 7.
Ran a 7? That little shitty Honda that I was talking so much shit on.
He ran a 7, but I still gave him the L though.
I ran a 7 though, man.
Yeah, that was good.
I got killed by that demon.
What did the demon run?
Is that demon? Yeah. Oh my god.
7.4.
Hey, he's about the same weight reduction as you because he's got no
Look at his reaction
Yeah.
time.
Was it that demon right there?
Yeah.
Holy shit, his reaction time was bomb.
0.02.
That was good. That was a fun one.
It was. Shit, that was your best one. Shit.
That was the best one. I actually did the longest burnout on that one.
give the helmet
and I
back.
felt like the stickiness was there. Alrighty guys, so that pretty much concludes tonight. That was the last run without the interior of the car. No front seat, passenger, no rear seats, nothing in the trunk. And as you saw there, obviously affected my times. It definitely gave me much better time. And I also did a long burnout. So I don't know, there's multiple things that kind of get factored in there, but the car felt much better off the line, you know, and you saw there, it did pretty well against that 2018 Mustang. He did get a better 8th mile time, and a little bit higher mile per hour by like 1 mile per hour, but nonetheless Challenger did really good for what it is and how much more it weighs over the Mustang. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave a like on it. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You guys told me you wanted to see this, and here it is. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.